how to move from UK to Australia as a nurse. In this video, I'm going to give you tips and tricks you need to know, okay? If you're a nurse in UK and you want to move from UK to Australia, then there is a good news for you. This video is for you, okay? So watch this video till the end, okay? So let's move forward, okay? Moving from the UK to Australia as a nurse involves several steps, okay? Including meeting visa requirements, registration with the Australia Health Authority, and securing a job. Okay, so moving from UK to Australia, there is a step-by-step guide you need to know. Okay, so I'm going to give you that guide. Okay, and then the first one is check eligibility for nursing registration. Okay, so to work as a nurse in Australia, you must be registered with regular agency. Okay, a recognized nursing qualification, English language proficiency. So, before you can move from UK to Australia as a nurse, you have to be you must be registered with recognized agency and then a recognized nursing qualification, English language. Okay, in shortly they call it IELTS. Okay, or equivalent. Proof of work experience, criminal background checks. Okay, so you prove that you have the working experience. Truly, you are a nurse in UK. Okay, so you have to prove them um your working experience. Okay, and then you have to pass your English language proficiency, which is IELTS. Okay, so this one also are needed. Okay, and then the next one is apply for AHPRA registration. Submit application to AHPRA online. Okay, when I say AHPRA, I know you know what I mean. Okay, so when you apply for it, then you submit it in online. Okay, and then the next one is provide necessary documents, including your nursing degree, identity documents, and proof experience. As I said earlier, so when you are applying the job, you need to prove your working experience. Okay, how many years you have worked in the UK. Okay, so you have to prove your working experience. Okay, and then add your either your degree or diploma. Okay, your nursing degree, identity document, so you have to add it. Okay, and then the next one is apply for a working visa. Once you register with AHPRA, you can apply for visa, the most common visa option for nurses. So after all this, then you can apply for your visa, okay, so that you can move from UK to Australia. So you apply for your visa, okay. So temporary temporary skills shortage visa if you have a job offer from an Australia employer. So when you get a job, when you get a place to work in Australia, then you you can make temporary visa. Okay, you can make temporary visa, and then after that, when God be so good, and then you get the exact job you want, then you can go and then do the permanent one, so you stay there forever. Okay, so that is it. And the next one is check eligibility and apply via the Department of Home Affairs. Okay, so this one also you can apply for via Department of Home Affairs. Okay, so these are their websites on the screen. Okay, these are their websites: www.homeaffair.gov.au. Okay, and then the next one also you can visit their website. Okay, and if you need any questions or they can help you. Okay, the next one is find a nursing job in Australia. You can start applying to jobs while your registration and visa are being processed. So when you are applying, when you are doing your visa, as your visa is in process, then you can apply for job, okay, in Australia, so that when your visa is ready, then your job also is ready, okay. So you can do that one also. So you can apply for jobs, okay. So these are the websites you can seek for job or apply for it. The first one is Seek. So Seek also, this is their website on the screen, www.seek.com.au. And then we have Indeed Australia. Okay, that one also, www.au.indeed.com. So this website also, when you visit there, then they can help you get a job in Australia. So these are the ways you can do, and then move from UK to Australia as a nurse. So after all this, then you can relocate and start work once your visa is approved. You can move to Australia and start your job. Okay. So this is the easy way you can move from UK to Australia. Okay. This is the shortest and a simple way. Okay. So if you are not in UK and want to move from UK to Australia, then okay, you can follow these steps and then move from UK to Australia. Thank you for watching it, and I'll see you in my next video. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, you have missed a lot. Okay, so click the subscribe button and then subscribe to my channel. Bye.